Web filtering protects your business and network users from harmful websites and helps to maintain high productivity levels. We'll talk about how to set up web filtering on your RV260 router in this edition of Tech Talks, next. Start by logging into your router and navigating to Web Filtering under the Security tab in the menu on the left-hand side. At the top of the page, you'll see that we can toggle web filtering on or off. In the URL lookup box, you can search for a URL, google.com for example, and see its category, its reputation score, and its status. To set up a policy, click the Add button. From here, we will give our policy a name, give it a description, and enable it. Once we've done that, we can edit which categories apply to this policy. You can either choose a filtering level or delve deeper and customize your web filtering by category. Once you're satisfied with your web filtering settings, click OK in the top right corner. Web Reputation analyzes the reputation score of a website and blocks it if its reputation is too low. You can choose to apply your web filtering options to a specific IP group or any. For this video, we'll leave this set to any. The Exception Lists option allows you to whitelist or blacklist websites by domain. If you wanted to block a specific website, such as Facebook, you could add it to your blacklist. If you want to ensure that a certain site, such as your company website, is never blocked, you'd add it to your whitelist. The last policy option, Schedule, allows you to set the times when your web filtering is active. This enables you to block content all the time, or exclusively during business, evening, marketing, or work hours. You also have the option to create a custom schedule that fits your needs. In this case, we'll choose Always, then click Apply in the top right-hand corner to create the policy. That's it. That's all you need to do to configure the web filtering options on your RV260 router. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.